Hello and welcome to Dhanbad Public School channel. So till now we have learned various means to study from home. Our students got access for different types of platforms for learning from home. Our school always trying to give support to give the best platform for learning. So always we are moving ahead and trying to find the new ways and technologies to cope up with our students. So there is a simulation between the teachers and the students. So how will we access the assignments, means how the students will access the assignments and how the teachers will access the assignments completed by the students. So here is a very good platform that is called Google Classroom. So how will you use Google Classroom? So we are using Google Classroom for assessing the students for learning assessments. So let's see how will you learn Google Classroom. So first of all, I will like to give thanks to all the parents as they are always continuously supporting us, to the teachers, to the school, for always giving new type of concepts and supporting us. So let's start with Google Classroom for learning assessment. How will you start Google Classroom? So as till now we are using mobile or desktop or laptop for accessing the contents or the online classes. So first what we have to do, get the Classroom app, Google Classroom app. Teachers and students can install the Classroom app on Android. Android means mostly the mobile what we are using are of Android. So in any mobile, either Android or iPhone, iPad, any device we can use for accessing the Classroom app. To install it, just we have to go to Play Store and we have to type Classroom. We will get the app. Or if you are using computer, simply just type www.classroom.google.com. For Android users, simply tap on Play Store and go to Google Classroom app. On iPhone also we can use the same thing. Download the Classroom app from the App Store or search in Google. You will get the Classroom app. Now when you install it, after that when you open it, this is the first screen of Google Classroom. Get started. So tap on that Classroom, tap Get Started. You will get the next screen. You will be asked to sign in Google account, I mean the Gmail account. I hope everybody are using Gmail account for Android mobile. So here also you have to give the same account, same Gmail account, then click on next and you have to give the password. Or if already it is signed in, you don't have to give the password, only you have to choose the account what we are using. Then click on next. You will get a welcome message, read it and accept it. Click on accept. After that some terms are there, terms of service and privacy policy. Then tap and agree. Click on I agree. Now here you will get the first screen. For the teachers we have to click, or for the students we have to click this plus symbol. The plus symbol is there at the right top corner. Here we have to click it. So if we are a student, if a student wants to access Google Classroom, student have to click this Join Classroom. So when a student will click on Join Classroom, student can access the teachers assignments what teachers have submitted. Now when I click on join class, you have to type the class code here. class code means after posting the assignments in Google Classroom, teacher will deliver a class code of his or her class for the student. So the same student can only access those who have the class code given by the teacher. Then click on join button. There is the join button, you will get it. Now you can see the assignments for the class code given by a teacher. So this is the basic installation process. Now I will show you live how will you do this. If let us see, this is the two screen. First one, this first one is for the teacher and second one is for the student. So suppose I am a teacher and I want to give assignments. So I will click here and I will create class. There are two options, join class and create class. So for a teacher, we will click on create class. I have read the accept agreements, continue. Now which class assignments I want to create? Let it be class 8. Section, you put the section here, then the subject here, let it be science. Then the room, any room number you give here. Now create. Now as soon as I create a class, I will get a class code of the class which I have created. This is the students room. For a student, I have to click here and I have to click on join class. As I am a student, I have to click on join class. See, I am using here two different email ID. This is this another one, this is another one. So two different ID, one teacher is using, another one is the student is using. So this is for the student, this is for the teacher. Now see, here a class code is there. This is the class code. Now I have to type this class code here to join this class. If I click here on join class, simply I paste it there, or you could type it there. Now join. After joining, I will get this class 8AC. So this is teachers class and this is students class. So till now I have not posted any assignments here. So you are not getting here, student is not getting anything here. Subject science, room number 12, class 8A, class 8A. Now a teacher will post one assignment. I will show you. Now click on classwork. Now teacher wants to assign any assignment. Click here, create assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, anything. So let it be assignment. Assignment I am typing here. Suppose what is the title? Title I am typing here science. Now create forms, drawing sheets, anything. Here I can add a question. If a question is already typed, teacher will here simply add it, or simply create documents, creating documents. Now see, a document is there. Teacher will simply write some questions. Write Newton's first law of motion. Simply I have chosen this one. I have taken here, simply write Newton's first law of motion. Now this is the question. Now I am sharing with the student. Share. Now give a title here, suppose motion. Save. Now this is assigned. Add people or to gap. Already I have shared the link. Got it. Now share. If I refresh it, refresh this screen. Let I have refreshed it. Go to classwork, got it, view your work. Save it, which I have not saved it. Motion. Class 8 updates. Now sharing with whom? Class 8. Class 8 done. I have not shared it. Now I have shared it. Now check it here. Now check it here. Classwork, view your work. Still not refreshed. Again I am refreshing it. Standard 8. Classwork, view classwork. I have shared it. Wait just a minute. So let's see how will you join as a student. So this is our teachers window and this is our students window. So let's start another class and I will check. So this is the class code for the teacher and this class code used by the student here. So the assignments are showing you will get the assignment. See the classwork here is science only, it's given here. So this is a teacher's window and this is a student's window and this classwork is shown here. Student will get this one. So this is the science assignment given by the teacher and this is assessed by the student. So let's create a new class. I will show you how you create a new class. Classes. Now create class. Already one class is there. I want to create another class. Create class. Continue. Class name I have given here, suppose 9 section A, subject let it be Hindi, suppose room number 2. Create. Now class is creating here class 9 and this class 9 a code will be generated and this code teacher will give and the student will access it. So let's see how the classes are creating here. Now this is class code is generated here. Now I will use this class code. This is the class code. Now let's join again here. Join class. See, this is the class code given by the teacher and as a student I will join this class with this class code. So join class, I will simply use this class code. You type it here. Now join it. Now joining. Now let's create some assignments. See, this is a teacher window. Now there is no classwork is assigned here. Here also students are not getting any assignment. So I am creating any assignments. Let's create any assignment. Create here in assignment. Add. Simply suppose I am writing here the title Hindi, suppose. Now add. Already I have some questions in my Google Drive, so I will just upload it here. Google Drive, my drive. I'm getting my questions. See here Hindi, let it be Hindi. Any question I'm giving here, suppose let it be Hindi. It's okay. Hindi I've created here Hindi. Now assign. Assignment is created Hindi. Now let's check here Hindi also. Student got the same assignment here. So this is teachers window and this is students window. So when student will access, student will get the same assignment using the code. Now click on Hindi. Now this is the Hindi assignment teachers have given here. If I click here, view assignment, you will get the assignment here in Google Docs. Open it and you can download it. See, this is the Hindi assignment. This is the Hindi assignment. So in that way, whatever the assignment teacher will give, automatically the assignment will be shared using the class code. Now again I am creating another one assignment. Suppose quiz assignment. Quiz. Let it be, suppose English. English blank quiz. Let it be no due date. If due date, if I want to assign, I can assign a due date. Let it be 31st. Now no topic, you can give the topic also here. Now add, here also we can add from file, from link, from Google Drive, or we can create here from forms. Let it be, the questions should be off. Let it be add from Google Drive or link. We can create a link also, we can upload, or we can create, this is for the students section. Suppose I am writing here, I am not giving an assignment. Blank quiz is there, Google Forms. So click here. Here I will get a Google form. I will tap questions here. Suppose science quiz or anything, whatever it is. Let's say English quiz. Simply I am write a question. Choose the correct word. Choose the correct spelling. Suppose I am writing here a word, suppose condensation. Add an option here. So I have to choose the correct option. This is of MCQ type. Now I am giving here 1 point. Okay, done. This is required. I have done it. Now this is the link. Send. This is a link. Copy it. I'm giving this assignment here. Add link. I'm giving the link here. Add link. Now assigning to the student. Now English quiz is assigned. Now let it be refresh here. Class 9 classwork stream. This I have assigned to standard 9 English. Let it be English. Stream was updated. Now this is the English I have created just now. I have given the students can access it. Click here on English. Now this is English quiz 2. One is the blank, one is there. So let the view assignment in English quiz. Student will get the quiz in this form. Choose the correct spelling, condensation or condensation, which one is the, or other. Let it be any answer, condensation or condensation, any spelling we can, student can give, and it will be submitted. Student submitted, view score, spelling is everything students can see. So many type of assignments can be created here. Material, add, again from Google Drive I am uploading another type of my drive, my upload, So this is a question folder. I'm uploading some questions here again. Let it be a map. This map I am uploading here. Simply physical division. Now learn Indian map. Learn map of India and draw. Now this is the map. I have uploaded it, saved, posted. Now this is again being shared. Come here, class here, stream. Now this is the map. See, because the same code teacher is using, code has not been changed by the teacher, so from the same code student can access the work. If teacher can change the code, then again teacher will give you the class code. So this is the class work of learn map of India. View. See, this is the physical division of map. See what teacher have given you, learn map of India and draw. See, in this way student will get the assignments and solve it, and teacher can easily check which student have accessed or not. This is the people who have accessed. This is the student. Only one student have accessing. The student details will come here. So everything can be assessed by the teacher. So 3 assignments I have given. In that way many different types of assignments can be given. So student have to just put the class code there. This code is important. Teacher will share this code and student will use that code in the classroom to access the assignment. Now if the teacher can change the code, let it be class code is there, the same class code student now was continuously using. If I change the code, reset, now the class code is changed. Now this is the new class code. Now if I make another assignment, now again student will not able to access the code. This is the class code. Now these are the assignments. So thank you for all of you to be with me, and have a patience and try to learn the new things and new technologies. Always be with Dhanbad Public School. Thank you.